Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I'd like to tell you how to get the most out of the portion of doing TAT where you're talking to parts. So what do we mean by parts? What I mean is there are parts of your body, there are parts of yourself like baby parts, 2-year-old parts, 10-year-old parts, teenager parts, adult parts, all these different parts like that. And there are parts of yourself also that are tuned into things that are unfinished traumas that happened to ancestors. They're just emotional parts, like angry parts, sad parts, grief-filled parts. So we're talking to parts that are emotional, physical, spiritual, energetic, and mental. So parts that just are in the world of thoughts. That's what I mean by mental. So when you're doing the TAT process and you're talking to all the parts, that's who we mean. And just for another tip, if you have some portion of your body that's just feeling off and you're talking to the parts, have the intention that you're directly talking to, say, your heart, if your heart feels broken. Directly talking to your heart. Or say you got an injection and your arm is still hurting. So talk directly to where it's still hurting. Or if your brain feels fuzzed out and like, I just can't concentrate, include that you're talking directly to your brain. And if you have thoughts like, oh, that's not possible, then do the pose with opposite thoughts. This is another TAT trick that's fabuloso. So I can't talk directly to parts of my body. My brain can't hear me. And then the opposite. I can talk directly to my body. My brain can hear me. That will help instantly clear the way so that what you're intending, thinking, feeling for parts of your body and all these parts of yourself will immediately be connected and received. I think you're going to just love doing this. So when you get to that part of TAT, make that connection open and clear by doing what I just said. Okay, thanks for listening and see you next time.